said that it's not me that have the money. And I give them my own money. That give them money. This my money. Well, I think the man, what the man decides to use on my phone, I finance it to give the boys. So the man, this man here, you are seeing on the screen. When I reach there, home, the diaspora, tell them to lock the up door. He brought cutlass hat. He brought laptop wire. They tied me like this. No, yes, they tied me. Told me to off my float. He only play my boss. The man beat me with the cutlass, beat me with the wire. All my bonbon, full of injury. I can never put my boss the next day and go and beat. My eyes swell up. He beat me. I just when he was beating, I was just remembering my daddy. Me if I was with them. I don't know why they left me like this on net. She was paining me. This man beat me. Without that one, my teeth was before I left. When I left that man shop, I was telling this man here that one of my teeth here, look as if there is hole there. The thing is to pinch me. I tell this man will tell him that no worry, they will treat me. They can't buy drugs, they can't buy drugs. Since when I left this my place, when I left, I want to go and stay with my auntie in Abuja. So it's my auntie that now bring one. My auntie when I was going to go and visit it, is one other woman. It's a good Samaritan. He now saw me. I said that my auntie should not pay that. He's going to fix my teeth for me. The woman now fix my teeth. The woman fix my teeth. So the woman take care of me. The woman used to send me money. Sometimes used to send me money on monthly to feed for me and my auntie, feed for our children. So that woman is very good. So I was saying, and please guys, I don't want this man. If you know this man, please just tell this man that he should stop posting me on his Facebook page. I'm no longer with me again. She don't post me on the Facebook page. I just God and beg you, she don't post me again. I want to stay on my own. If I don't have, I said it, if I don't have what to provide for me.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my people. Osamu the amen, I dey insult the Osagie so. I've been another person. Osamu the amen, who pay you to do this one? Osamu the amen, who pay you? Was the Osagie help you rich? Ah, my brother, you do this one, oh. You do this one. You dey insult Dion for everything when he do for you. Ah, this life no balance. This life no balance. Oh, Samudi, I mean, you dey insult them. So you have been another. I been my eye they deceive me. Oh, Samudi, I mean, hey, who, as in who will come help for this life? Oh, Samudi, I mean, are you the insult them? Osagie? After everything when they do for you, my brother, you do this one. You do this one, oh. Like for put the video, make una see. Man, not waste una time.
So this one you are seeing on the screen here, the name is Dion Osagie. So if you don't know my name is Osamu Diame Roland Horsepower. I was once living with this man here on the screen, Dion Osagie. This man, one day I was going to Word of Faith school before. So this man told me that he was going to take me to one of the best school in Lagos. Yeah. So I said okay. So this man here, Mr. Dion Osagie, he took me to Lagos State Junior Modern College. I don't know the name. It's a school, but they are school. Inside Big Bush Igbola Junior Secondary School. So the school there don't feed us. They beat us. So this man, he took, I don't know why he removed me for Word of Faith where they are paying 100,000. He took me to a school where they are paying 30-something thousand. So they want the follower to be giving me money, sending me money so that he can be taken out of it. So this man told me. So last year December, so when we went for holiday, so this man, Mr. Dion Osagie, he told me that I told the man that I want to go and see my auntie in Benin. So he now told me yes. He now told me that no, that what is the need of go and see your auntie in Benin? I said, sir, but it's my auntie now. They have not seen me since how many years now. Let me go and see them. He said there is no need. So I said that me, I must go and see them. So the man did not allow me. Now took me to go and stay with one man. His name is Connie. He used to follow that soldier man. Used to follow this man. He took me to go and stay with the man. So and I went to go and stay there. Just that day like this, in the evening, I just left the place. I entered motor. I left. So those of you that you are thinking I'm still with this man, you are seeing on the screen. I'm not with this man again. I'm staying with my auntie in Abuja, here in Abuja. I'm going to school. So even was it last 4 months, July or June. So I did my junior WAEC. So now they gave me promotion. I'm now in SS2 now. And next year I'll be finishing my school. I'll be out of secondary school. So you see, I remember when I was with this man, they have been repeating me from class to class. They don't want me to graduate. Repeating me. So this man here used to beat me, so maltreat me. And this evening, I was seeing that in my friend's phone that this man here seen Mr. Dion Osagie is sending it on Facebook that me um he built house for me, he built house for my grandmother up there. He built house for me that I'm staying with his house. He have did visa for me to United Kingdom, to America, to United Nations. Meanwhile, I'm here in Abuja, I'm in Nigeria. I left Mr. John Usage house since last year, December 24. I left there. I'm not staying with the man again. Every time I'll be seeing the man posting me on Facebook, posting me that me, um, I'm with him, I go on a vacation, a visit. I'm not with you again. So this man should live my life again. I don't want to stay with him again. He be posting me. This evening I saw he's posting me that me I'm still with him and yeah, this visa for me. I want to travel. So this man, I don't know what I will say. Just leave me alone. Yeah, I'm staying right now. I'm fine. I don't want to stay with you. Please, just leave me. I'm fine where I am. Is it that I will stay with you forever? It's not a must that I will stay with you forever. But me, I decide not to stay with you again. Because look at my body. You have you used recently you told me that I stole your money. You used cutlass to beat me. That one did not do. You used laptop wire to beat me. That one did not do. I'm just counting it. You are beating me because you told me I stole your money. If you want me to not steal your money, you will not be feeding me well. Or those people you are seeing that they are better, did they not feed them well? They are not feeding me well. You are expecting me to say, even good people, if you don't feed them well, they will steal. Or you are giving them one time in a day. They know who to. That's why Nigeria no. That's why Nigeria is no good today. Most of the bad government. So this man here, he used to beat me. Even the workers that used to work with him in his office, he used to beat them. Somebody will be doing live video for you. You say the person that the camera is not good, you slap the person. Today is posting on his Facebook that me and still or go and check, go to, if you are watching this video, go to Dion Osage's page on Facebook. Go and check if me, you are seeing me now, like me, I'm big like this now. You are seeing me. Me, am I not different? Is there no different? Is there no different? Am I not? That was small. My 2017 picture is not bringing it. It's not showing there that me, I'm big now. Look at, I'm big. It's not showing there that me, I'm still staying with him. So guys, I'm not staying with that man again, Mr. Dion Osage. I'm staying with my auntie here in Abuja. So if you are sending me money, please don't send the money. I'm no longer staying with Mr. Dion Osage again. Please guys, I'm staying with my auntie here in Abuja. And so a woman gave this Mr. Dion money to build house where all those special needs will be staying. Do you believe that this man you are seeing use the money to he want to go and buy house in Lekki, though the house to be in his own? He is the one that is staying in the house. He now turn the house to apartment. He's not using it to make extra money. Since then, block the woman. He's not talking to the woman. This man you are seeing there on the screen is a fraudster, is a kidnapper, is a thief. This that go to True TV used to say Anini or Omila. This man is a Omila because you are just seeing he's doing good for Facebook. If he's doing good for Facebook, does not mean that he's doing good in real life. This man, because from what I've seen, I don't want to just say this man's secret. So people should tag this man to leave me alone. I don't want to stay with this man again. I want to be living my whole life, even though I don't have or I have. I know that God will provide for me. I'm not a Facebook blogger, I'm not a content creator, but I just saw this message this evening that is posting me on his uh, Facebook page that he build house for me, he do visa for me that me I want to travel. Me that I've never stay with him. I've never seen him since last year. No, last year September. I've not seen him. He's now posting me today. Me that I'm not he's posting my 2017 picture that when I was still with him, that me I'm still staying with him. So guys, if you are watching, please share this video. Tag those people you are seeing, tag Innocent True TV, tag City Niger, tag Very Dark Man. Let them do something about this, and let those people, that woman that he took his money, should go and give the woman his money back. It's not good. It's not good what you are doing. Yeah, I think maybe you are enjoying. You are enjoying. You don't know that you face the repercussion. What you sow, you will reap. So, Sir Dion Osagie, please, I don't want anything to do with you again. Please leave my life alone, leave my family alone. You posting me that yes, I'm still with you. I'm not with you again. There's not the need of posting me on your Facebook that I'm with you. I'm not with you. When you are not feeding somebody where you are doing good for Facebook, you now think you are doing good in real life. Now people will not be saying, this man is doing really good, or is doing good for this boy. So this way you be give me all the big polo I should be wearing. When I'm small, you give me all the big clothes I should be wearing. You say I'm doing good. I don't feed somebody. Why would you not expect somebody to steal? And one day I've never steal something from you. Hmm? Please, guys, please share this video because this man, Mr. Dion Osagie, is a fraudster. Because you people are thinking that he's good, he's doing good for Benin people, he's doing good, carrying security with people's money, be doing investing with people's money, still people's money, doing good things. He's saying that he's doing good with people money. When I was staying with him, if this man is not wicked, when I was staying with him, he's telling me that my name I should be saying, he say adopt me. Even though you adopt me, shame me I don't, because if my father is dead, my mother is dead. I know that you're supposed to put as if I'm supposed to still be bearing my father's name. Samuel Damiel Roland God's power. It's not telling me to be bearing the same. Samuel Damiel Osagie. Since when I left, I'm bearing my name, Samuel Damiel Roland God's power. So I'm not bearing this man. This man. So guys, if you are joining, please share this video. God bless you. God bless you. Please share this video. God bless you. And this, I'm still saying that you have AMS Star Mercy Ore. That woman that I don't know if I'm not insulting my senior, or I'm not insulting my elders. He said he's going to post on Mercy Ore. People should go and check her page. She's posting me on her page that thank you, Mr. Dion Osagie, for this boy, for him to for sitting with this boy, for not letting this boy to be on the street, for not letting this boy to be on the street. They cannot ask that, yeah, this man is in Nigeria now. He should do video of me and him. We are together. I should do video of the both of us together. This Mr. Junior say he's in Nigeria. They say he's in Nigeria. Okay, since you say that I'm still with you, you give me a build for me, I've traveled. Okay, do video, live video. Put me by your corner here, and you be here. Put me together that me and you, we are still doing life. We are together again. Me that I've known with you. I've known with you. You see, Mercy, she's putting me on Facebook page at me. I'm in America. I'm in Nigeria. I'm not in any America. I'm in Nigeria, Abuja. This morning, I wake up and I saw this Mercy, the same Mercy again. He's posting my picture, my audio picture. 2017, 2018, say that ah, this man, see you, everybody, if you are watching this live, these people you are seeing, please stay away from them. They can be saying that yeah, they are doing good, but normal ground they are not doing good. They are just there to steal from people, do fraud for people, take people's money, and they will be empty. Carry security, use people money to carry security, use people money to buy house, use people money. You don't know the sweat they use and look for that money, or what they go through that money. One person will just come and pack everything, yeah, put in it for his own. Please, people should stay away from these people. And if you don't know my name is Osagie Roland God's Power. I'm living with my auntie in here in Abuja. I'm doing well, I'm doing good, I'm doing better. Those people, this man you are seeing here is just lying. You see, if you think I'm lying, all those things, these things I'm saying they are lie. Go to this man page, Dion Osagie. Go and check on his page. You see me there. When he post me, the other day this afternoon I saw it on my friend's phone. Like he post me, like he build that for me. After you have gone and edit that he do visa for me. Which visa? I'm in Nigeria. If I'm in America, you guys will know now. And shey this place look like America, and this place you are seeing. Shey America, this lab all this kind of this thing. And if I'm in America, you will know now. They say that I'm in America. Please guys, share this video. God will bless you and bless one of you that is watching this thing. So this man, so I don't want to start saying things secret about this man, what he used to do. Because this man you are seeing here, this Mr. Dion, is just 419 Omila, he's just stealing for people. He's doing that jackpot Naija, jackpot thief, everything, jackpot. He's just everything. Want to start to jackpot people's money and put it in his own. While his mother is there, I've never take care of those one. I've never give them things. Come and be doing big man. Come and be doing big man. Remember the day this man used cutlass and beat me. If I showed my bonbon, everywhere scatter. Told me that I steal from you. That if you don't want somebody to steal for you, will you never feed them? And meanwhile, I did never steal for him. He's dashing people money, he's doing live video. If you want to do I'm seeing some other people that when they are doing live video self, or when they are doing good, or they have an orphanage, they never show that they have orphanage. They will just give, they never post it, they never post it. But you are doing live video, you are posting it so that people will see that you this man is helping you, this man is giving people so that they not be saying, Dion, send the account number, you are doing good, send your account number. Then I give you money. The money that they are giving you, you go and withdraw like 5,000, or they send you like almost 500,000. You move 100,000 from inside to just give people. And this man, he had the day in his office in Benin when somebody gave him money to share for people. So the money is supposed to share for the widows. It's supposed to be 5,000. It's supposed to dash them because it's not his money. It's just somebody that is in, but he said should share money for them. So this man, you know what he did? Because they see that it's not that the man did not have money to, he did not have to share money. They gave him money, extra money. The man will carry 5,000, will give to this woman. One of the worker will go and stand at the door. They will say, Mama, bring your money, come. They will move 1,000, now remaining 4,000. You say, go. You say that one is coming, move 1,000, remaining 4,000, go. You say that one is coming, you move 1,000, remaining 4,000. So now so that money will be enough for those other people. It's supposed to be 5,000, it's supposed to give them, make it them. You make woman to stay under sun. You see you are happy. If you know, you see why is it that when they are not to do election, you not came to Nigeria to come and do what? To come and spoil people's things. He's telling me that. He's telling me that I'm in America. Which America? I'm not in any America. I'm in Nigeria. This man is lying. Me. Say me, I'm in America. Me, somebody Roland, America. Visa. Which visa? Me that I've never been with you since last year, December. 20 24th of December last year. I've not been with you. I've been with my auntie. You're lying, you're posting different things on your page that me in America, you're posting this thing. If you guys, if you are watching the video, I think I'm lying, go and check on Dion Osagie. You see what he's posting. Check on Mercy. You go and check on, you see, what is this woman name? I don't even know. Mercy Ore. Go and check on Mercy Ore. You see what they are saying. They are not happy that, hey, Osamu Dame is gone to America, a celebrity. I'm in Nigeria. Then, even though I don't have, I know that God will still give me. I know that me, one thing about me, I know this man, he have helped me. I appreciate the fact that he have helped me. But I don't want to stay with him again. She live my life. She have let me have peace. Stop posting me on your Facebook again. Stop posting me on your Facebook that I'm still with you. I'm not with you. Me. And if my father is still alive or my mother is still alive, all these things I do, you think you have to do because she just helped me out on the street. You want to come and be maltreating me. You are doing good on Facebook. You are not doing bad on normal this thing. You know that I don't have, but God will give me. I'll be the one to come and help you. It's not a joking matter. I'll be the one to come and help you. Because nobody knows tomorrow. So you think for your mind you are doing good now, you're happy. You are doing good now. People are saying that, hey, this man is doing good though. He's trying for this boy. Which boy are you trying for? When I was going to Word of Faith, I know because of you don't want me to go forward. You don't want me to be promoted to another class. You want people to be sending me money so that you'll be taking me back. I've repeated my class like I was in just I repeated just three times. Even my mama, I also have finished school by now. I've repeated class 3 times because they are sending money. Any money they send him, you keep the money. You will collect his own. You will put my own. Any money they are sending for me, he will be giving me 5,000, 2,000. How will somebody, this man is wicked rich? When I was going to Word of Faith, we were on holiday, he told me to go and stay in his hotel in Benin. I stayed there. He told the woman to be giving me, that place hotel, he told the man to be giving me 500 naira food. He just to set 500 naira food in the hotel. He told the woman to be, you know that I know the woman very well, and the woman know me. I also help the woman to wash plate, the woman will give me food. This man, he tell the woman to give me 500 naira food. And what I will eat throughout in one day. Tell the woman to give me, and where I used to sleep, I go and sleep in boys' quarter in hotel. Boys' quarter. Sleep there. This man, he always cares about himself. This man does not feed me well, that's why I left there. And he used to maltreat me. Be doing good on Facebook, doing bad on normal listen. Take me to the stage, say I'm doing well. The man beat me. The man will be telling me that, be saying that I should go and stay in his hotel. Meanwhile, he have room, or just special room in the hotel. I'll go and be helping the woman because the woman, I forgot the woman. Listen, forget, I forgot doing the woman name. The woman is working, is selling food in the hotel. Because I know the woman children, I used to play with them and help them to wash plate. They will give me the boy when I say, come and join me and eat. The boy name is God's power. Yes, the boy name is God's power. The boy say, come and join me and eat. I'll go and join the boy and eat. And 500 naira food, that's what I will bring. Is it the money I will eat? It will bring my tummy in the evening. When the rest work at their night, I'll not be looking at them. In my mind, I just be feeling bad, I just be crying. But I cannot do anything. I don't have fun to talk to him. If I talk to him, he will shout for me. I will tell them to beat me in the hotel. The day he beats me, coming from Lagos, the other day, he told me to go and buy food. So when I went to go and buy food, I saw those my other friend that was with us before. Those one run because of what he was doing to them. They run. It was the only one that was remaining. So, when I was buying food, they told me that I should give them money. Right? So, and I said that it's not me that have the money. And I give them my own money. That give them money. This my money. Well, I think what the man decides to use on my phone, I it to give the boys. So the man, this man here you are seeing on the screen. When I reach there, home diaspora, tell them to lock the up door. He brought cutlass out. He brought laptop wire. They tied me like this. No, yes, they tied me. Told me to off my float. He only play my boss. The man beat me with the cutlass, beat me with the wire. All my bum full of injury. I can never put my boss out the next day and go and beat. My eyes swell up. He beat me. I just when he was beating, I was just remembering my daddy. Me if I was with them. I don't know why they left me like this on net. She was paining me. This man beat me. Without that one, my teeth was before I left. When I left that man shop, I was telling this man here that one of my teeth here, you look as if there is hole there. The thing is to inch me. I tell this man will tell him that no worry, they will treat me. They can't buy drugs, can't buy drugs. Since when I left this man place, when I left, I went to go and stay with my auntie in Abuja. So it's my auntie that now bring one. My auntie when I was going to go and visit it, it's one other woman. It's a good Samaritan. He now saw me. Auntie that my auntie should not pay that. He's going to fix my teeth for me. The woman now fix my teeth. When the woman fix my teeth, so the woman take care of me. The woman used to send me money. Sometimes used to send me money on monthly to feed for me and my auntie, feed for our children. So that woman is very good. So I will say, and please guys, I don't want this man. If you know this man, please just tell this man that he should stop posting me on his Facebook page. I'm no longer with me again. She don't post me on the Facebook page. Please God and beg you, she don't post me again. I want to stay on my own. If I don't have, I said it, if I don't have God will provide for me. If I don't have, God will provide for me. And God will provide for my family. And God will provide for everybody that's watching this video. Don't think because you are now in one position now, not thinking you have level, you are a Milocon, you have power over everything. That's why I see here is heartless. Be taking different woman. You see, you're doing taking different woman. You want to go and put me in hotel in Benin where there's all those prostitutes where they are staying. That if I do like this, I'll stay. If I do like this, I'll stay. You want to go and put me there, eating one chance in a day. Sometimes if all those people they are washing, those people that came to the place, they came, I will go and wash their car for them. They will give me 500. I will use and eat. This man is saying that he's my father, adopted father.